Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open Advanced Boot Options Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to open Advanced Boot Options Windows 11 from lock screen. For this method, on the lock screen, tap the power off button. With the Shift key pressed, click Restart. Windows will start in advanced mode. Now click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. After, you're going to click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F4 key to use safe mode. You must wait for the system to access this safe mode. Now you can reboot the system to enter normal mode. Chapter 2. How to open Advanced Boot Options Windows 11 from Startup Repair. To start, restart the system from the shutdown button. During this process, you must reboot the system 3 times for automatic repair to activate. You can see that this will diagnose the PC. Generally, you will see that the task cannot be performed. You will click on Advanced Options. After that, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and now on Startup Settings. Click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F4 key to enter safe mode. After this, you can restart the system to use Windows normally. Chapter 3. How to open Advanced Boot Options Windows 11 from Settings. To begin, press Start and click Settings. After that, in the system, select Recovery. Here, in Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Confirm by clicking Restart Now. The system will reboot in this advanced mode. Here, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and finally on Startup Settings. In this section, you are going to click on Restart. When the system reboots, use the F4 key to use safe mode. You must wait for the system to enter this mode. You can restart the system to enter normal use mode of Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to open Advanced Boot Options Windows 11 from Restart. For this method, click on the shutdown button, use the Shift key, and click on Restart. This will cause the system to be rebooted into advanced mode. When you access it, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and then on Startup Settings. Now click on Restart. When the system reboots, use the F4 key to enter safe mode. You will wait for this safe mode to load and sig in. Here you can use it and then reboot the system to enter normal Windows mode. Chapter 5: How to open Advanced Boot Options Windows 11 from ISO image. In first place, you must have the Windows ISO image, which you can download from the link that we leave you in the video. When you turn on the device with the ISO connected, you will click Next. After that, click on Repair Your Computer. After this, click on Troubleshoot and then on Advanced Options. Next, click on Startup Settings. Click on Restart, and when system reboot, press the F4 key to enter safe mode. Wait for this safe mode to load. To return to normal mode, you are going to restart the computer. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.